If you're having trouble with your browser source in OBS Studio, maybe you're dealing with black screens, freezing, or your web overlays just aren't showing up, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot and fix the most common issues with browser sources in OBS, so your streams and recordings will look exactly the way you want. Let's dive right into the steps. First things first, sometimes a simple refresh is all you need. If your browser source isn't updating or seems stuck, here's a quick way to give it a fresh start. Double-click on your browser source in the Sources list to open up its Properties window. Scroll down inside this box and you'll see a button labeled Refresh Cache of Current Page. Give that a click. What this does is clear out any temporary files or stuck data for the current page, forcing OBS to reload your overlay or widget as if it's brand new. Once you hit OK to close the properties, check if your content loads up correctly. Even if it seems like a small step, it can solve a surprising number of problems, almost like hitting the reset button on your source. But if you're staring at a black or blank screen, don't worry. This is a really common issue, and luckily, there's an easy fix. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause conflicts between OBS and your computer's graphics processor, especially with certain overlay websites. Here's what you should do. Head to the OBS settings by clicking the button in the bottom right. Switch over to the Advanced tab, then scroll down to the section labeled Sources. There's a checkbox called Enable Browser Source Hardware Acceleration. Go ahead and uncheck that. Click Apply, hit OK, and here's the important part. Fully restart OBS Studio to make sure the change takes effect. If you're worried about performance, just know this setting mainly affects how web-based sources are rendered. For most people, disabling it actually makes browser sources more reliable. If you're still having issues, double-check the settings for your browser source itself. Go back to its properties and look carefully at the URL you entered. Is it spelled right? Does it start with HTTP or HTTPS? Typos or missing letters can easily break a source. If you're pulling in content from the web rather than your computer, make sure the local file option is turned off. Next, confirm the width and height match the space you want on your canvas. For most overlays, 1920 by 1080 works nicely, but you can adjust as needed for your layout. Also, take a second to look at the eye icon next to your source in the list. If the eye is crossed out, it just means the source is hidden. Click it to make it visible again. And finally, check that your source isn't being covered by another layer above it. Think of it like stacking sheets of paper. The sources at the top of your list are the ones viewers will see first. Sometimes network security can get in the way, blocking OBS from displaying browser sources. Make sure your computer's firewall or antivirus isn't stopping OBS from accessing the internet. Specifically, OBS 64.exe and the browser processes like OBS browser page need to be allowed through your Windows firewall for both private and public networks. If you have a strict firewall on your router or from your ISP, you may need to tweak those settings or whitelist OBS for streaming. Now and then, permissions can trip you up. Running OBS Studio as an administrator can help it access network resources and integrate with other software more smoothly. To do this, simply right-click your OBS shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives the app a bit more authority on your system, which can be just what's needed for browser sources to work. Finally, if you've gone through all these steps and nothing seems to help, it might be time to update or reinstall OBS Studio. Outdated versions can have bugs, especially with browser component updates. Head to the official OBS website, download the latest version, and install it over your current setup. And if things are still not working, you may need a fresh slate. Uninstall OBS using your control panel, then manually delete the leftover OBS Studio folder in your program files and reinstall again. And that's it. Those are the key steps to troubleshoot browser source issues in OBS Studio. I hope this walkthrough helped you solve the problem. And if you have any questions or tips to share, just drop them in the comments below. If you found the video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.